NDC force eba bemwa omodwuma so ni chem
anya no cry even 6 years NDC are 27 NDC 27 omo mate MPP 6 years they cannot.
Yes, Manaka.
Men are make a show project by project and a social intervention policies. And this is them men on the buyer. MPP influence we kwan men fa Akufo nka ho. We so President Akufo kra no. You bet me account say social intervention policies are President Akufo the buyer. O man nyem one. And na dey bia so mo sorry ti national health insurance. Almost sorry ti Muhammad and Fanny coach was sorry for them or say o hia Ghana national health insurance. Aso so na NDC for ni na koye bi. And now what you say need the action to. What did I make an say? Free maternal care. Almost sorry ti obi ne rekoda na aban be 6 ka dia kwa akoda no. Na de wono na ne die and ye bre hu ogan ha. Free education. Akofo sorry ti not a single social intervention policy and I this for we dia ba. About project upon project for last 6 years. Aban we ni aban what me aye 6 interchanges in 6 years or 7 cra. Ogusu awoye nyani nyina no complete. But bet me catch was a Obuasi the best. The best
in
Africa.
They gave you the funds.
What's it?
Obuasi, they say they gave you all the funds.
Oh, me say when no amanye ya mamu me amre. Mo hwe source of funding na mo hwe tam scan buy. Just like Obuasi International Airport. No, you know I was there. I catch it son. Na sikane ma sikane bedu November 2018. Already no near yes ye pesca. But what can say who pesca no? Yes, also anopa na de ko. Parliament bet me approve. Yes, Parliament bet me approve. And say no ma source fund no more secure. France no ye secure no 2018 November. And we take a president from 2016 to 2018 and say no be catch it no. And I give this international airport no. We you ha. What we say the city. Ayadea abanet me ayawie. Ayadea wo chantimem ha. Ya kwansi wo mu by far. Obuasi anyan kwanta na da ho. Wo matimi anye Obuasi kro no mu sai no. Awuyi ene aba we ba ya otufu adama. Eno mu aye ene Obuasi aye vibrant town. Ene twa Obuasi town rules. Ko I Joseph town rules. Ko Efidasi town rules. Ko Jabe town rules. Ko friend say man portal rules. Even at all yan kasa yan city rules. Obetimi aba and this one chair. Addo obetimi akaja na ya ye kejeti na ya Dubai. Ene ya ye kasa yi. Addo His Excellency President o ye wo kejeti a ho ne no. Wo be wie no wo mo wo and this for one wo mo be dwane aba ha. Hwe Addo papa. Dubai no.
O me ya Central Market.
Central Market papa num.
Ale kejeti are je papa.
The biggest in West Africa. The biggest market in West Africa. The pictures are here. I am here some man can download na mo yi chairman for. And here you can say, "Upe duwa carry wa ha." And then ufi KBL. Na wo ko bosom twa. Hwekwan.
Dem.
Hwekwan da ho. And then apre kwan. Hwekwan da ho ni dwumadi a wo mudi wo ho.
Apre omugu so nke me kama ko fijo gu mejai.
Me kase wa jam say. Work is going on.
Oh yeah. Enti me say o ka say hwekwan da wa. No be yam wo mejai.
My point is this. So
at least
as we speak today.
Yes, it's true.
So they're not here NDC time. No, chair.
That's true.
And now if you are contact the call Obuasi, it is there for you to see. And then me ankasa me komu kwagoma. Now we do a hojo. Now we see double road in this one. I was saying up to tell them contact. And then KBL, a kwan you uti say them. And then buakwa kwan no mu jesi baby no. And a koso. I will be able to say a koso. Every part, me say me the program be about mountain and namo asantima da wase. Big time. I will be able project by project. Come for nothing. Hospital, maternity. And I see her for almost about 44 years. And the corner culture, use your own eyes to go and see. Oh, because of your project. And every project now bet me there too who has it. And then about we buy now go for free. Your friend is saying, hey. I go for free crime. I judge for free crime. And no more better cases for her. And let's share a Daniel president. Let's see 20 residential. Yes, go and see for yourself. And the after which are hospitals are about where you come her. As we speak today, young Wajuma 32, including the agenda 111. Women put the son Hesse Modiano Adam. Mobin Kosha no me job baby. So Debbie Kosha. Vomit project. So what's on her?
Vomit project on a
hospital.
the watch
I me say me ba wo
a new one or more. Okay.
It is there for you to see. Woko trauma center Obuasi, it is there. Kase pa wo hospitals no ho abanu guso wo ye trade 111 yi eguso a eye adwuma a obi ahu say work is going on. It ever say NDC for no mo metu futu hu nkofo ani Ghana for no ye ni da ho ade bia akoso bia ye nyina no ye hu bi. It is say enyama aban wo ye ene ne say papa free education eba free education 419 eno no mde nam kroma
economy ni
nkoye ni sen o ma hene ebi nya ye
One in your way.
Region. It is a lie. When you go back and you check your major roads in the Volta region, you will see that President Akufo did a lot. When Akufo came, he is also continuing it. Put that on the side. Just recently, we had the Vice President come over there for an event that Togbi Sri, I love that man so much, put together and invited his brothers, who are also paramount kings and chiefs and what have you, to come and celebrate in that wonderful display of culture with him. The Vice President tried to state certain gains that we have made. Now today, let me give you another statistics. Go and check. Before free education, Volta for Muntie, before free education, Volta region was one of the most underprivileged education place, or like produced the less education people whenever it came to examination, and that was due to poverty. Okay, you can check. They all checking in anywhere brabidi matem, but they are making it no correct. You can check the facts and come and reply me later. Okay, Volta region until free education was one of the places that lacked a lot when it comes to education. Now look at their rating in the education column. Look at schools in Volta region that were nothing. First, no, open school or Volta region school ani enima ne Mauli. Meboa. Mauli secondary. And one ani ete. And then you have Kita, you have this. There are so many schools that are going on in the Volta region. And all is by the doings of His Excellency Addo Akufo. Now, this video I'm playing now, if you are from Ho, this is your central market that they are doing for you. I think it is almost complete, or it is completed. And very soon, traders in the Volta municipalities of Ho would be able to use this facility to sell their stuff, make money in order to cater for their families. Don't let anybody lie to you that you were born to worship NDC. It is a lie. They don't want your development. Don't let nobody tell you that you, as an, excuse me to use the word, ewe person, the only thing you are supposed to vote for is NDC. It is a lie. Do your best and look for the opportunities that this government is bringing. Tap yourself into it and make yourself useful. Don't rely on propaganda from this party you have slaved for all these years. Check their track record. You have voted for NDC MPs. You have voted for NDC DCEs. You have voted for NDC assemblymen. You have voted for NDC presidents all your life. Look at your area. They couldn't develop it. They could not develop it, but you have voted for them in that category. Look at who is working for you. Let us watch this beautiful edifice.